The Monkey and the Two Cats. Two cats lived in a forest. One was black and the other was white. They were best friends who played and ate together. One day, the cats went in search of food but did not find any. The black cat said, "My tummy is rumbling. I am hungry." The white cat agreed, "Yes, me too. We can go to the nearby village to find food." The other cat agreed. As the cat walked along, they came across a piece of bread. They were happy. But instead of sharing the bread, they began to argue. "I saw the bread first, so it's mine," said the black cat. "It was my idea to come to the village in search of food, so it's mine," said the white cat. This argument continued for some time. A monkey was sitting a few steps away watching the cats argue. He thought, "That piece of bread looks delicious. I wish I could get it." He pondered for a while and came up with a plan. He approached the cats and said, "I see that you're having problems sharing that bread. Would you like some help?" The cats decided to take the monkey's help. The monkey continued, "I will cut the bread into equal parts so that each of you can have half a piece." The cats agreed. The monkey divided the piece of bread into two. He measured the pieces against each other. He noticed that one piece was bigger than the other. So he cut a small part of the bigger piece and ate it. "Oh, now this piece looks bigger than that." So he broke a part from the other piece and ate it. All this while, the cats looked at him but did not say anything. He continued doing this over and over till nothing was left. Then he looked at the cats, laughed out loud, and climbed a tree. The cats realized their mistake and returned to the forest empty stomach. The moral of the story is, when two people fight, the third one always gains.